Yes! Nice! Nice, nice, nice. Holy sh... Oh my god, hold on, guys. Yeah, just all of a sudden it was like a... like earthquake. Yeah, it's okay. It's not. Yeah, it's alright now. It was literally like half a second. It's like... it's like, whoa! Yeah, no alarm. I don't... Yeah, there's no alarm, so I think it's okay. Stay safe, guys, okay? If you're in Japan. It really startled me, cause like, whoa, what the hell? Yeah, it was like literally like 0.2 seconds of like, just moved me. Bikkurishita? Me too, me too. びっくりしました。本当に怖かった。やばいやんけ。